So, my ladies, whatever you think that should happen exactly your way isn't going to happen. Why, Because when you are controlling things, when you are forcing things to happen or go exactly your way, you are actually telling the universe that you are scared because if the other outcome that happens, the other possibility is things not happening your way, right? So you are basically scared that the opposite might happen of what you are expecting. So basically things are not likely to happen. Even if you try to control it or force things to happen or be in a certain way, you're not going to get there. Like, you're not going to get your answers. You will see that the reality is not turning out to be what you wanted it to be. So the clarity and ease comes with letting go, of letting things just naturally unfold at its own pace and time, because the outcomes that we pursue often need time to reveal themselves. So watch closely people's actions over words. Observe everything around you that's happening at this moment, and just let go of any form of control or force, because letting go of force is not giving up or quitting, but it's about recognizing that exactly when you let go of everything that you thought it was meant to be, but actually it wasn't, that's when, everything comes to you. Like, you become a magnet. Why? Because you are detached. You are detached of the specific outcome, the specific person, pattern, desire, goals, okay? Whatever it is, that specific thing. When you are detached of the outcome, that's when things are actually attracted to you. When you become detached, they suddenly become attached to you, right? A best example for this can be when you left your toxic ex, okay, and suddenly you have completely moved on now. Probably it's been months, so you are completely over the breakup and all that phase. You are no longer missing anyone, okay? There's no one from my past that I'm missing, to be honest. That's a very, real truth. Like, there's no one from my past, not even my friends, not even my ex, or not even my family, that I'm missing from the past. Anyways, that is another topic, guys. But what I'm saying is, exactly when you left that person, you have completely detached from them, you have moved on with your life, focusing on yourself and on your well-being and peace. What happens is, when you start pouring all that energy that you have wasted thinking about them back to you, think about yourself, how you want to do things, how you want to, you know, move forward with your life. When you completely refocus your energy back from them to you, that's when that notification pops up in your mobile, and they just come back. Sometimes, our ex come back, right? Just to see if you, people don't come back because they love you, okay? If any person from your past who has hurt you or betrayed you in any form, okay, if they come back to you, baby, they are not here because they miss you or they love you. Please be careful of the manipulation, okay? Don't fall for the words. Watch their actions. You know what they did. You saw what they did. You gave them chances, but they took it for advantage, right? So that's why I say, always watch people's actions over words. You will save yourself a lot of your precious youth, time, energy. It's so valuable, the energy that you bring in the room. It's so precious. It is so powerful and sacred. Why such a sacred vessel, yeah, such a sacred vessel will allow these dramatic asses, this toxicity in their life, right? At this point, we are not looking for love anymore. We are just looking for peace. We are done with love and all that. Okay, I'm done. Like, bye bye, I don't need you anymore. I am love within myself. Okay, I exist and love exists within me. Okay, I am open, my heart is open to the infinite possibilities of love and abundance, because I am love and abundance in its truest form of expression. Okay, I am love that I've been looking for in everyone else. Okay, you have been looking for the right things in all the wrong places, so stop looking for that. You are the right thing. You are the love that you have been searching for outside of you, but it's already inside you. You just need to tap into that frequency. So that will be another video of how to tap into your love and abundance frequency. Right now I'm just talking about, what was I talking about? Yeah, it's not about giving up. Okay, when you let go of force and control, it is a form of acceptance that things will be as it's meant to be. The universe is still working things out for you, as you, not as you want it to be, but as you need it to be, and it's not about giving up or like quitting, but it's just about recognizing that peace comes with a lot of goodbyes, with a lot of losing people, places, and situations that is no longer serving your highest good, that you thought that was giving energy to you or pouring energy into you, but actually it was draining you. It wasn't pouring any of the energy into you, but it's just was like an illusion or whatever, infatuation, you name it. Like, I don't know. Anyways, true love, when it happens, it will happen this quick, this with the instant snap of your fingers. Okay, you will manifest it when you're not actively looking for it, like, at all. That's when it's going to happen to you. Like, you wouldn't even be able to process, okay, what is going on.